Imagine a world where your energy is clean, renewable, and cost-effective. Welcome to the future with solar energy. Meet the Johnsons. Like many families, they wanted to reduce their energy bills and do their part for the planet. With our expert solar energy services, the Johnsons made the switch to solar in just one day. Now, they enjoy savings of up to 50% on their monthly energy costs. It was easy, the process was seamless, and our savings started immediately. But it's not just about saving money, it's about making a positive impact. Every solar panel installed helps reduce carbon emissions and fights climate change. Together, we can make a difference. With our solar energy services, you can benefit from lower energy bills, increased home value, government incentives and tax credits. Ready to make the switch? Contact us today for a free consultation. Discover how solar energy can work for you. Join the solar revolution. Clean energy, savings, and a brighter future await.